This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 7 of building the Robocop. Mr. Robocop to you, I think, probably. Yes. The strong chin of the law. The chin's the only bit that you can see. The mouth and the chin of the original actor, and apart from the second half of the film when he takes his helmet off, and the first third of the film when he's actually, you can see his face through most of the film. But yeah, there we go. Very cool stuff. It's got some strange poses though. I'm not too sure about that. I rewatched the film and it struck me as how strange some of the movements are. But it's robot, so it's meant to be a bit strange, maybe. We're starting on the right shoulder today. We did a little bit of the right elbow, but now we're putting the shoulder onto it, which is always interesting to build up these things. It's going to look a bit like that by the time we're finished. Obviously, the parts that we've already done are already filled in, which is very nice. I like that. There we go. Looking at Karakuri Automata. Yes, it's a Japanese thing by the looks of it. I don't know anything about that. Three-dimensional games. Yes, I like me some 3D games back in the day. Ultima Underworld. Underworld 2 was much better though, but yes, all good stuff. And then obviously now VR and stuff even better. But yeah, there we go. That's that. Right, before we get to the building, there was another gift in this pack. We have a slipcase rather than a binder, and it has with it sticky numbers. So I shall peel off the first one, or not, as the case may be. I peeled off more than the one. Is that just going to be a transparent bit that I'll peel off from there? Oh well, at some point I will peel off the first one and put it on that circle so we know which one's which. And into that I shall put the collection of previous magazines, and indeed going forward a few more. So there's going to be quite a few in there, but apparently we might need 5 binders. I'm not too sure. I do like the slightly smaller form factor of these magazines, although no, these aren't that smaller. They might be a little bit smaller than the normal one, but they're not as small as the Eleanor and things like that. But yeah, there we go. That is what we have today. Let's get this out of the way and let's get it built. So the parts supplied today, we've got another metal shell piece, plastic lining piece, which just goes into there. That just pops in with the pegs to hold that in place. A very good match between the colours. Make that out on there. There are 2 parts there. We have some CM screws, of which we're going to be using 2. Let's get 2 of those out, or 3 of those out, and then put one away, as tends to be the case. That aside for the spares, and this is attaching onto there, basically like that. The piece goes over there, holds it secure, and we've got the 2 screw holes that line up with those, which is where the screws are going to go. Nice and easy. I see, so nice and easy that I can't do it. That lined up on there. There we go. There we have that in there. That one on the other side. Holding that together. Having endless trouble with screws at the moment. It's really, really annoying. Never used to have any trouble at all, but at the moment, can't seem to catch a break. There we go. That's that. Tighten these up. Now, with these going into metal, what I'm doing is going forwards and then going back half a turn every so often, just to make sure you break off any loose little bits of swarf and fluff that are in the thread, and make sure it goes in and holds itself nice and tight. There we go. That is that. Secure on there, and this is part of the right shoulder. Nice. Right, that's it for this part of the build. Next time we are continuing with the shoulder. We're going to be doing that for a little while. So yeah, I'll see you for that very, very shortly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.